Hello, dear customers. If you are not yet familiar with our high-sprise equipment for forming meat and fish snacks without any natural or alginate casing, now is a great time to learn more. We offer a complete solution for both round and flat-shaped products. This includes everything from beer snacks to healthy school snacks for kids. You can use chicken, fish, beef, or pork as raw material. The only requirement is to grind the meat finely, maximum 2 pies 2 millimeters, and remove all sinews, skin, and long fibrous pieces. During the grinding process, you should also add spices and functional ingredients, like starter cultures or GDL, glucono-delta-lactone. These help make the mix dense, sticky, and uniform with very low moisture. This meat mix goes into our vacuum filler with a gear drive and hydraulic loader. Once you load the hopper, you're ready to start. By changing the forming nozzles, matrices, you can produce products of different shapes to match your local market needs. One of the most popular items today is pet food strips, typically 25 millimeters wide and about 5 millimeters high. The usual length is around 100 millimeters, depending on the packaging. The optimal meat temperature is between -2 degrees Celsius and +4 degrees Celsius. If you change the nozzle, you can form a continuous flat layer directly on the tray, ideal for making minced jerky. After drying, this layer can easily be sliced into thin sticks using a slicer or tenderizer like Bazerba. Nozzles can be changed quickly. The kit includes different round shapes from 8 millimeters to 12 millimeters and flat types from 25 millimeters to 200 millimeters wide. This means you can make many different products in just one working day. Tray loading is done manually. The system recognizes tray position automatically, starts forming, applies the product smoothly, and cuts it to the desired length. The Highsprise SAS 200 system can be connected to a vacuum filler like the Hantman 600 series or Rex. It also works with our own gear filler. But to make your production easier, we designed this version to connect directly to most standard fillers, especially when space is limited for installing extra machines. Hantman and Rex are already used in many factories, so it's practical. The only requirement is that your filler has a standard signal output like the one used for clipper machines. Our system connects to this signal and controls the filling in start-stop mode. The operator loads 200 kilograms of meat mix, sets the portion length on the touchscreen panel, and feeds trays into special drying trolleys. Each trolley holds 30 rows with 2 trays per row. Tray size 900 x 500 millimeters. The design allows the trolley to rotate so the operator can load from both sides. The trolley size fits standard smoking or drying chambers used in the industry, perfect for smooth integration. The system's capacity is up to 200 kilograms per hour, depending on the product length. The longer the stick, the higher the productivity. Drying options are flexible. For example, in a thermal chamber at plus 60 degrees Celsius, the product dries in 3-4 hours. You get a soft snack with a shelf life of around 1 month in vacuum packaging. At plus 30 degrees Celsius with an industrial dehumidifier, drying takes 14 to 15 hours, and the product becomes hard like salami with a shelf life of up to 6 months. If this is your first time with such a product, we recommend starting with our manual RK50U system. You can see it on our YouTube channel. It's a compact solution for testing recipes, forming, drying, and packaging. Once your production is successful, you can upgrade to the SAS 200 automatic system using our trade-in program with a discount. Please pay attention to recipe details. The meat mix must be soft, sticky, and moldable without large fat chunks or sinew. The temperature should be between 102 degrees Celsius and +2 degrees Celsius. We can also connect you with top European spice companies that offer full recipe support. These include Raps, Regis, Lafinic, Zaltec, Nessie, and Weiberg. Their technologists can help you optimize your product. So start with the RK50U small model, and once you reach 400 plus kilograms per day in output, move to our fully automated SAS 200 system with trade-in benefits. Subscribe to our channel and leave your questions in the comments.